Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. So today we will present about our project, which is Netflix movie recommendation. Next. Next. So this is our group member. First one is Muhammad Shakir, and then me, Carol Azim, Shazmai Adam, and Muhammad Amirul. And next. So this is our table of content. We have an introduction, problem statement, objective, algorithm, develop solution, demonstration, and marketing strategies. Okay, next. So for the beginning, we have an introduction, which is we do a Netflix movie recommendation system as an initiative that leverage cutting edge AI algorithm to enhance the user experience on Netflix by providing personalized movie recommendation based on user input by analyzing a range of user provided data, including view history, rating, and preference. Our AI model predicts and suggests film that each user is likely to enjoy. Dive into this documentation to explore the technical details, implementation steps, and insight behind our recommendation system. Next. So this is our problem statement. Says in this digital age, uh, users face an overwhelming amount of content, making it difficult to find a movie that match their preference. So it's hard to choose movie in the midnight or whatever. This is a significant challenge for streaming service like Netflix, leading to user frustration and dissatisfaction. Okay, next. So this is our objective. So Netflix movie recommendation system aims to solve this problem by developing an AI-driven system that use user input to provide personalized movie suggestion by accurately predicting and recommending film based on individual preference. And this system enhance user engagement, satisfaction, and overall enjoyment of the Netflix platform. Okay, so I pass to Muhammad Shakir.
Alright, so next I'm going to talk about the algorithm, AI algorithm used in this project. Next. Firstly is for natural language processing, we use text pre-processing. Text pre-processing is a crucial initial step in preparing data for analysis. In the Netflix recommendation system, this process involves cleaning and transforming text data to make it more suitable for machine learning algorithm. The code begins by defining a helper function called prepare data, which convert text to lowercase and remove spaces to standardize input data. This function ensures that variation in text formatting do not affect the analysis. Additionally, another function called create soup creates a combined feature soup by merging several relevant columns such as genre, text, actors, and viewer rating. This soup amalgamates essential information into a single textual representation for each movie to form the basis for further analysis. Okay, next. Alright, so for the next part is machine learning, which is content-based filtering. In content-based filtering, this one is actually the core technique used in the system. It recommends movie by comparing their attributes with those of other movies. The process starts by vectorizing the soup created during text pre-processing, just like I said, using count vectorizer. Uh, the system convert this textual data into a matrix of token counts, effectively transforming words into numerical features that algorithm can process. Once the soup is vectorized, the system calculates cosine similarity between the vectors. Cosine similarity measures the cosine of the angle between two non-zero vectors, providing a metric for how similar two movies are based on their soup. The closer the angle is to zero, the higher the similarity. And then the next one is get recommendation function. Leverages this similarity matrix to find movies similar to a given title. When a user input a movie title, the system retrieves its index and calculates similarity scores with all other movies. It then sort these scores and in descending order, extracting the top 50 most similar movies. Uh, this method ensures that users receive recommendations closely aligned with their initial choice, based on the combined features of genre, text, actors, and viewer ratings. And that's it for me.
Next, we move on to the developed solution. Okay, for the text pre-processing, we have the prepare data function, which is it is responsible for okay, so we move on to text pre-processing, which is the prepared data function, which is responsible for converting the text to uppercase to lowercase and removing the spaces. This function is applied to the relevant columns to standardize the data. The second one is the create soup function, which concatenates the selected columns from the dataset into one string, effectively creating a comprehensive text profile for each of the movie. And then this profile includes the genre, text, actors, and the viewer's ratings, all of which are essential features that describes a movie. Next is the content-based filtering. We have the count vectorizer function and the cosine similarity function. So for the count vectorizer, it converts the data into a matrix of token counts, where each of the row will represent a movie and each of the column will represent a word from the combined feature soup. The value in each of the cell of this matrix will indicate the count of a specific word in the corresponding movie's soup. And the cosine similarity function computes this cosine similarity between all pairs of the movies based on their soup vectors. This similarity will measure the cosine of the angle between the two vectors. It quantifies how similar two movies are based on the count of words in their soup. The resulting cosine underscore sim2 is a similarity matrix where each of the element represents the similarity score between the I and J of the movie. Next, we move on to the demonstration for our system. Okay, so this is the interface for our system. It will prompt the user to select at least 4 TV show or movies that are available in Netflix. You can select the minimum 4 and the maximum is however you want. So in this example, I selected 4 movies, which is American Pie, the Friday the 13th, The Cabin in the Movie, and Cabin in the Woods, and The Conjuring. It will then prompt the user to select the language that they prefer the movies to be in. In this case, we select Malay, English, and Spanish. And then when we press the Get Started button, it will generate a list of 50 movies that have the similar cosine function, which is the AI has decided that the user will like. And from this list of movies, you can select the movies that you find interesting and click on that, and it will give you a Netflix link, which will, if you click, it will redirect you to the Netflix website for the specified movie itself. Next, we move on to marketing strategies.
Okay, moving on with marketing strategies, we are looking at how our approach we take to promote our system to get customer attraction. So here are 4 approach that we take: personalized marketing material, social media engagement, influencer partnerships, and customer feedback integration. So let's look at the first one, personalized marketing material. So this approach will leverage data to create personalized email campaigns and in-app notifications that highlight the benefits of the recommendation system. So we can showcase how we can tailor movie suggestions to individual preferences, enhancing the user experience. Next, we have social media engagement. So we will utilize social media platforms to engage with potential users through targeted ads, interactive posts, and testimonials. We also can highlight success stories and positive user feedback to build trust and interest. And the third approach is influencer partnerships. So we will collaborate with influencers and movie critics who can demonstrate the effectiveness of the recommendation system so that endorsements can reach a broader audience and lend credibility to our product. And the last approach is customer feedback integration. So we will actively seek and integrate customer feedback to continually improve the recommendation system. And we can highlight updates and improvements in marketing materials to show the users that that input is valued and acted upon. Okay, so for conclusion, our Netflix movie recommendation system represents a significant advancement in enhancing user experiences through the power of AI. So by addressing the challenge of content overload and leveraging user input to deliver personalized movie suggestions, this system aims to increase user satisfaction, engagement, and overall enjoyment on the Netflix platform. And through targeted marketing strategies and continuous improvement based on user feedback as well, the recommendation system can establish itself as an indispensable tool for movie discovery, ultimately transforming how users interact with the movie streaming platform like Netflix. Okay, so this is of reference that we refer to conduct our project. And that's all from us. Thank you for listening.